I have no idea if this mic will even work on a phone, but we're testing it right now. Actually, we're testing it right now. I have here a comment from my other video. Sabi niya, dapat po ang i-video nyo ay kung paano i-connect sa phone step by step ang microphone na ito. Well, anyway, challenge accepted. Let's see what happened. So these are the following materials or device that we are going to have. We have the phone, the cable. We have also the USB to Type-C adapter para sa phone natin. Without it, hindi tayo makapag-connect ng ating microphone dito sa ating phone. You can buy it sa Lazada or sa Shopee. Okay? So how are we going to connect? Ilalagay natin yung cable dito sa kanyang USB port ng ating microphone. Sa kabilang dulo naman, itong USB, lalagyan natin ng adapter. USB to Type-C adapter. Next, i-connect na natin yung phone natin sa cable. Pagkatapos nun, lahat ay set up na, pupunta na tayo dito sa ating settings na ating phone. After that, hanapin lang natin ang additional settings. And then, you're going to click the OTG connection. Dapat merong OTG connection ang ating phone. Kung wala, hindi tayo makapag-record. Okay? So, all is set. Okay na siya. Nagla-lights na yung microphone. Ibig sabihin, nakakonect na yung microphone dito sa ating phone. Try natin dito sa record. Magre-record tayo ng audio. Click natin. Kung nakikita nyo guys, habang tinatap natin yung microphone, merong mga sound wave na kakita natin sa recording natin. Dito nalalaman natin na yung microphone is nababasa ng ating phone. Hello, mic testing. So this is now our phone, our microphone connected to this phone that I am holding right now. Here we go. Okay, that's it. And this is the sound test of the KUSKY FS200 USB dynamic microphone connected to our Android phone. Okay, super simple. Wow, okay, it's actually picking up my voice. Hello, mic testing, mic check, mic testing, mic check. I am now connecting my microphone through this Type-C cable directly to our phone. This is actually a beginner advantage. No, napaka-advantage pala ng ganitong setup, no? Unang-una is plug and record. You can plug your microphone through this Type-C cable directly to your phone and record your audio. It's better than phone mic, you know. Actually, this is not bad. This is actually usable. So yes, it works. As long as your phone supports OTG on the go, your adapter is good, and you use proper mic distance, well, this is a good setup. No magic, just real testing, and this is the sound of it. If you want more real-world audio test, no hype, no guessing, we plug it in and we find out. See you in the next video. Happy recording, everyone.